Okay, you guys, we got a 12 gauge pump shotgun, Charles Daly. Got this at Walmart. $2.48 sticker price. I'm going to put this together for you and show you what all is in here. Gotta put it together. Okay. Just gotta get the barrel. .301 pump shotgun. Charles Daly. Never heard of him. You know, I originally got it because I thought it said Daisy. I was incorrect. So, let me put this together real quick. Went together pretty easy. I did have to release this forend, which is interesting. I just figured that's the name of this pump handle. That's what I was calling it. Just the handle, you know, for the pump. But in order to get the barrel in, I had to release this, and then it just lined up and I screwed it on. And I mean, it's super easy for the price, hard to beat. I just wanted a good pump. I will take it out in the very near future and see how it shoots. I did hear a guy in Walmart saying that they just stand right up. Like apparently it wasn't a comfortable shot, but we shall see. So, yeah, Charles Daly pump, 301 pump shotgun. Check it out, you guys. $3.48. I mean, that's a good deal. All right, hope you liked this video. Make sure and like and subscribe. Thank you.